Ready to make sure your WordPress emails actually reach inboxes instead of getting lost in spam? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through setting up SMTP in WordPress. By the end, your site will send emails reliably, goodbye to contact form messages going MIA, and hello to confident email delivery for things like order receipts, user notifications, and more. Let's get started right away. Our first move is to install an SMTP plugin, which bridges the gap between your WordPress site and a real email service. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for the Plugins menu on the left. Hover over it and click Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Mail SMTP or Post SMTP. Both are well supported and widely used. You'll see them pop up in the results. Go ahead and click Install Now on the plugin of your choice, and once it's ready, hit Activate. If this is your first time installing a plugin, don't sweat it. WordPress handles most of the heavy lifting here, so you can focus on configuring. With the plugin now active, you'll notice a new option, usually labeled WP Mail SMTP, in your dashboard. Click into Settings. Here, where we choose what email service or mailer will actually send emails on behalf of your site. Now let's talk through your options, because picking the right mailer is crucial. For 2026 and beyond, transactional email services like SendLayer, Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, or Mailgun are the gold standard. They provide excellent deliverability and have free plans that work great for most websites. Think of these services as professional postal couriers for your emails, who make sure your message gets right to the recipient's doorstep instead of getting dumped into the junk pile. If you have a smaller site or prefer to use Gmail or Google Workspace, that's also an option. Be aware, this route asks you to set up a web app inside the Google Cloud Console. A few extra hoops to jump through, but not too daunting if you follow instructions carefully. Lastly, there's always Other SMTP, which is perfect if you want to use your hosting provider's mail like Bluehost or SiteGround. For this, you'll just need to collect a few details. Your SMTP host, the port, usually 465 or 587, and your email login credentials, usually found in your hosting control panel. Let's configure the connection. Start by setting the From email. This is the address all your WordPress emails will appear to come from, maybe something like info@yourdomain.com or noreply@yourwebsite.com. Make sure this matches an actual inbox you control. It improves deliverability and helps if anyone needs to reply. Next, the From name. This is the friendly label people will see, like your store or Acme company. If you're using a service like SendLayer or Brevo, you'll notice it asks for an API key. Just pop over to your email service's dashboard, generate or copy your API key, and paste it into the plugin. Don't rush this part, accuracy matters. However, if you're going the other SMTP route, you'll enter your email password instead, so double-check that you're using the correct details. Before we call it done, it's time to send a test email and be absolutely sure everything works. In your SMTP plugin settings, you'll usually find a tab labeled Email Test. Click on that, enter your own email address, and hit Send Email. This part might take a few seconds. If everything's set up, you'll see a big green success message. Congratulations, your site can now reliably send out emails. But if it fails, don't worry, most plugins provide a helpful error log. Common culprits are little typos in your email address, using the wrong ports, or API permissions not set up quite right. The plugin will point you in the right direction, so read those messages carefully. And that's it, your WordPress SMTP is all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below, I'm happy to help out. Subscribe for more clear and practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.